Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include leather trim seats, parking sensors, rear view camera. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2019 Colorado. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote engine start, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated steering wheel, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.